this is Hans. It's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today we've got one from the US. This is Maruchan with their ramen bowl, hot and spicy chicken flavor ramen noodle soup. The last one of these I had was really quite good, so let's give this one a go. You've got your bowl, you got your noodle. You got a bit of this. You got a bit of that. And I saw on the ingredients list that it does contain habanero, which that's pleasant, I think. I like when a hot and spicy actually contains peppers. So it calls for room temperature water. So I'm going to take one of my wife's waters. I think this would be the easiest way to do it from now on. Just have some room temp water sitting on the back of the sink, ready to go. Up to there, huh? Alright. Put the lid loosely on there so I can remember to add more in. And then we take this and we're going to throw this in the old microwave. There we go, and we need to label this, I think. Got that spot on the lid. Let's see what we can. What do we got out here? I'm just going to write on the lid with this pen, which will not show up, I'm sure. Just a big R. So we will have ramen water all the time. It's a lot easier than trying to figure out what room temperature is on the old sink. Now we can just take some water. Then put it on in, fill it up for next time. Look at this. I am prepared for anything. Yeah. So here we are waiting for the microwave to finish up doing what it's doing. Zip it out there, you're making too much noises. Oh, what's been going on in the news? People shooting each other, things getting blown up. Russia making threats. I don't know, nothing new. Oh, this is good. So I like to get bumper stickers, right? Political bumper stickers. So I ordered a bumper sticker. That's enough. Hey. So I ordered a bumper sticker because Dr. Oz is running. I don't like Dr. Oz at all. I'd never vote for him, nor could I. He's in like Pennsylvania. But anyways, so I ordered a bumper sticker. It's $5 for the bumper sticker. You get 2 of them for $5. And then the shipping was $7, which is like, really? But I shelled out the $7, so it was $12, right? It shows up on Saturday, and the mailman, I go out to get one because I was going to give somebody one of them. And I go into the mail room. I'm like, yeah, you got a package for me? He's like, well, I got a mailer for you, but unfortunately, to get it, you're going to have to pay $7.74. I'm like, what? So the deal is, what they did is they called it a package, but it's a, what do they call it? A stiff envelope, basically. It's like a mailer. You can't ship that as a package. They're picky at the post office. I'm sure you know that. Now we let it sit for a minute. And so I had to shell out $7.74. And he said, usually the places will do that to try to save money, but it ends up not saving you money. It saves them some money. So I got double dipped for shipping. And it's like, wow, okay. So now I've got to email. I did already. I sent a copy of the front of the envelope and all that junk. I'm like, yeah, I'd like you to remunerate me to the tune of $7.74 to my original account that I paid for this for. So we shall see what happens. Hopefully the Dr. Oz people are nice and they do the right thing, because I just collect bumper stickers, weird ones, because I think that guy might lose. And if he loses, then there aren't going to be a lot of those bumper stickers around. So, and now I've got the provenance saying, hey, this guy cheesed me on shipping. So that's fun. Yeah, I said cheese. All right, here is our violent, piping hot bowl of hot and spicy. I'll give it a stir. The thing that's tricky about these is plating, because there's a lot of noodles in these bowls. Like a lot. Look at all those noodles. Look at them all. Just gaze upon the sheer quantity of noodle. Yeah, I used this track a long time ago. And there we are. Let's give it a try. I enjoy the noodle. We do have corn. It's a large kernel of corn. Corn could have done a little better. There is a heat there. It's not insane. It's pretty good. I think I like the first one better. I will say that much. But it's not bad. The heat level is there, but it's not like super violent, challenging, anything like that. Not a mukbang worthy one. That'll be on tomorrow's show. Decent amount of veg. I like that. Oh, we got some shellkin. Oh. Mimi does not like it crazy, she says. Okay. I'm going to take the old blowtorch to this chicken and see what happens. This could go either good or bad. Yeah, it did a little something. It smells like I burnt it. Some spring onion, and then we've got made some eggs this morning. No, children. Happiness time always. And then when I get back off of getting the kiddo on the bus, then we will do the third review of the day. which will be something that will be accompanied by a mukbang. It's going to be a bulldog variety. So that's fun. Man, it looks crummy outside. I mean, crummy. Seeds and some organic crushed red pepper. I hear whining in the living room. Yeah. Yeah, this isn't a bad one. It's not, of the two, I didn't like it. Of the chicken varieties, this was not my favored one, but it's pretty good. It's pretty good. Cool, thanks for watching. What's the next one, you ask? This right here. A lot of people really dig this one. This is Samyang Foods Bulldog Curry. This is the one made for the US market. So, next time on Instant Noodle Recipe Time, it's been Oz the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.